Come on, Sandra, you can do it. Here we go. Santa, you can do it. Come on, Santa, he's struggling. Oh, no. You're not going to get any Christmas.